Well, I was about to give up on this tilt system and then I worked it out. I did one called iPhone Tilt Part 3, but you can turn it with a steering wheel, like turn it steering wheel or go left or right. And here what I'm doing, see I go left and then I drop it a little bit more and you'll see it turning a bit. And I'll show you that later. But the problem with the heli is you see it going up and down a little bit, so it's a little bit harder. But see, I'm going past it. I'm trying to get it to turn away from the wall, but you just got to practice uh, going up and down. Do one thing at a time. Now here, I'm watching the prop, and there I gave it a little speed. So when you come back, if it doesn't stop spinning, just move it back a bit. Now I put it on the instead of putting it in the middle, I put it about 30 degrees from the horizontal, and I used some books and magazines, and I got it going really good, and that's why I redid this video. See here, there, I'm just turning it a little bit, trying to get it close. See how it's moving a bit as I just drop it a bit. Now see there, in the next shot I turn left, and then just drop it a bit to turn it. And you see me doing again, going right, and just got to practice. Happy flying. I hope you enjoy your iPhone tablet flying. Now, when you start your tablet, your software, you can put it anywhere between the horizontal and vertical. I found 30 degrees works for me. Give it a try anyways, and try turning left or right and steer.